Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more health and wellness tips. Let's help you live your best life. Starting with one simple change, cutting out sugar. Sugar is everywhere, in our snacks, drinks, and even in some foods we consider healthy. But cutting back on sugar can lead to some incredible health benefits. In today's video, we're going to cover how reducing sugar in your diet can transform your health from the inside out. First up, cutting sugar improves brain function. Did you know too much sugar can slow down cognitive performance? By reducing your intake, you'll notice sharper focus, better memory, and a reduced risk of cognitive decline as you age. And there's more. Less sugar means a more stable mood. You'll experience fewer mood swings and a decrease in anxiety or irritability. By eliminating sugar spikes, you'll feel more balanced and emotionally resilient throughout the day. Have you noticed how a late-night sugary snack can mess with your sleep? Cutting out sugar helps you get better quality sleep. No more late-night energy spikes, just peaceful rest and waking up refreshed. And let's not forget about your skin. Less sugar means fewer breakouts. Sugar contributes to inflammation and increased oil production, leading to acne. Cut it out, and you'll enjoy a clearer, healthier complexion. One of the biggest perks of reducing sugar? Weight loss. Sugar is packed with empty calories that lead to weight gain. By cutting it out, you'll naturally reduce your caloric intake and see the pounds melt away. Plus, cutting sugar helps reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes. By maintaining healthy insulin levels, you can prevent spikes and crashes that contribute to this serious health condition. Did you know that cutting sugar can boost your immune system? A diet high in sugar can suppress your body's ability to fight off illness. Lowering your sugar intake strengthens your immune system, helping you stay healthier overall. And your heart will thank you too. Less sugar leads to better heart health, lowering cholesterol and reducing the risk of heart disease. Cutting sugar isn't just about reducing calories. It's about improving your overall health. From better brain function and clearer skin to reducing your risk of serious conditions like diabetes and heart disease, the benefits are endless. Start small, and you'll notice big changes in how you feel and look. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Check out the other channels in the Ingleside Reviews network for content on beauty, gadgets, and more. Visit our website, support us on Patreon, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter to grab your free ebook on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.